running through like a few of the different styles that I'll be playing. This is Jethro from Sierra Blanca, and this is my sound on tap. Take me past the hilltop to the valley down below. Feel it in my body, in my mindset, in my soul. Serves me right for chasing spirits through the night. Serves me right for all the folly. I feel the decades flowing through my veins, and I see my mother in my ways. I see the arms moving up ahead, but I'll be there, easy on the way down. Take me past the city to the country where I'll rest. See it in my family, growing larger, growing great. Serves me right for chasing spirits through the night. Serves me right, serves me right. I see the decades flowing through my veins, and I see my mother in my face. I see the arms moving up ahead, but I'll be there, easy on the way down. Serves me right for sticking to it through the fight. Serves me right, and I'm not sorry. I feel the decades flowing through my veins, and I see my mother in my ways. I see the arms moving up ahead, but I'll be there, easy on the way. Take me past the hilltop to the valley down below. I'm happy with that. I mean, I've been playing music since I was a kid, and played in different bands around town and that sort of thing, and had a lot of collaborative sort of projects. But you know, I moved to the U.S. when I was 14 years old. I actually lived in Mexico, grew up there. So a lot of that year was just a lot of adapting and adjusting to kind of living in a new country, and how I coped with a lot of that was just making music in my room. I remember I had an old PC with some really basic recording software, and I would layer tracks in just a very basic way. And I think I hadn't even learned how to play guitar super well yet. I think it sort of evolved into a full blown project probably when I was 16 or 17, I would say, when I actually started writing lyrics and composing at a little bit more of a serious level, and started playing little shows in cafes and things of that sort, and kind of been going ever since. Turn a blind eye to it. Say you probably won't. Crowded minds look normal. Through the pharmacy walls, turn your lights on for it, so you're not just running back. So give up, break down, and move forward. Soon enough, it's time to change fast. So give up, break down, and move forward. Soon enough, it's time. Sing a soft song to it. Make it part of your day. Back it up into a corner. Oh, no more running, no more running. Turn your lights on for it, so you're not just running back. So give up, break down, and move forward. Soon enough, it's time to change fast. So give up, break down, and move forward. Soon enough, it's time. So give up, break down, and move forward. Soon enough, it's time to change fast. So give up, break down, and move forward. Soon enough, it's time. All right. It's getting warm. You could charge me up on the double. You could change my face as fast as you can. I'm your CFO, unentitled to feel the feel. So come on, let's go. Arms in rubble. I'm your G.I. Joe, obsessed with your flag. You could call me your body double. Your speed, your speed. So untie your ropes, unencumbered, taking off our clothes to swim in the sea. We're a bag of bones, small and subtle. Heart struck by fear seems easier to carry than burn. When your lungs are filled with doubt, don't forget now. Don't forget now. Don't forget now where you're from and where you've been. cold feet, bad hearing. We weather like a rock from the waves. When your eyes and knees give out, don't forget now. Don't forget now. Don't forget now. How it starts is how it ends. I'm a foreigner, bone and muscle. I'm a seeker, caged and bound. I'm a warrior bound for trouble. I'm a witness, but I haven't spoken out. When your eyes and knees give out, don't forget now. Don't forget now. Don't forget now. How it starts is how it ends. I'm a foreigner, bone and muscle. I'm a seeker, caged and bound. I'm a warrior bound for trouble. I'm a witness, but I haven't spoken out. My parents were missionaries, and it was a very sort of a religious. There was a lot of Christian music growing up, and not a lot of anything but Christian music. And a lot of it was going to small churches and just listening to the music going on there. And a lot of them were these really like sort of old hymns that carry a lot of old tradition and culture. And I think that's sort of shown its influence in certain aspects of my writing. Not just about topics, specifically coming through, in what I literally write, but also in sort of like sounds and chord changes or chord structures and things of that sort. But yeah, so that's one aspect of things. Another aspect of, being on the border and making music is that the music scene out here is definitely different. It's not what you see in a lot of prominent music towns in the U.S. So that's, I think that's sort of made the journey a little interesting as well. It's hard to sort of pinpoint exactly what the influences are, but they're there. Packing my bags, my records and all. Paid $400 cash, a half broken down car. If you're kicking me out, you can't even think. My friend's got a couch, a smoke and a drink. I'm driving to work, retail part-time, and I'm trying to be good. There's a party at 9. If I'm breaking your rules, failing at school, just know that I'm young and acting a fool. I'll get an apartment, I'm planning it out. Late night TV, music loud is all that matters right now. You're calling me back, it's time to come home. And I'd really like that, but my pride won't let go. Got no reason to pray, with my clothes in a bag. But everyone knows that high school's a drag. I'll get an apartment, I'm planning it out. Late night TV, music loud is all that matters right now. Plans not coming through, all just races by me. I know I'm not afraid of no. There's so much I would miss. Trends and modern views, problems taken lightly. My hopes are high, my spirit's low. I'm sorry I resist, so lock me in a prison, judge him by the look. about the book. Not much left of me to find. I'm gone for a minute. I'm sorry. Time poses limits beyond me. I'm Jethro from Sierra Blanca, and Sound on Tap is made possible by viewers like you. I'll be sleeping over, head on my own pillow, and blankets on the floor. I'll be watching closer the voice of my own ego as it digs a hole,